What's up, guys? Welcome to another lesson. Today I'm showing you how to play Goodness of God. It's gonna sound something like this. Be sure to download the PDF. It looks like this. Whoa, yeah, it's got all the strumming patterns, all the chords, everything you need to play this amazing song. Here we go. The bridge. You get the idea. Pretty easy song to play, but it's got a little bit of a tricky strumming pattern and a really nice little intro riff that you can learn. Okay, so cap on first fret, as you have noticed, using our G set of chords. Okay, let's quickly go through the chords. I'm just going to make this quick. I've got other videos where I go into deeper detail about the chords in the key of G. I'll put the links to that in the description. So just a basic G chord, mute the fifth string. You know I always like to play the G like this. Okay, mute the fifth string, just play the G just like that. But for this song, for the G, you're going to have to learn this shape as well. So if you put your index finger down there, like the traditional G, and you take your ring finger and you take it off the guitar, then here you've got the first chord that Brian Johnson plays on this song. So, and you notice I'm taking the ring finger and putting it on the 5th fret, up and down. So, on and off, on and off. Now this chord, if it's on, it's actually a G sus4. Actually a G add 11 because there's still the 3rd there, but it's a G sus4, you can just say it for that, because you're not really playing the bottom strings, you're just playing the bass string. So you're going ba ba ba, so boom, ba 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 ba, up, and then you start again. So da da da. I'll go into that in detail later if you didn't get that there. Another G chord that they use is a G/B. It's just like a G chord, but it's got a B note in the bass. Okay? And the way you play it is just take off your middle finger and keep your index finger there on the 2nd fret. Now you make sure to mute the top string, otherwise the chord's name changes to an E minor 7. So that's a G/B, but this is an E minor 7. So subtle difference, but it's there. You can hear it. Like this is a G/B. Oh, the G/B feels like it wants to go to the sea. Now hear the difference with the E minor 7. 1, 2, 3. But the E minor 7 sounds like we're gonna sing How Great Is Our God, or we're gonna sing Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above. See that? Okay, anyway, let's go to the C add 9. C add 9 chord. Now whenever if you're playing in the key of C, in the key of G, if you're playing in the key of G, you can always use a C add 9 if it's got C on the page. Okay, so C add 9, just like that. So there you go to G, C add 9. Simple, right? Okay, then the next chord here is going to be called a G. Oh, sorry about that. Let's go here. G, too big. G/F sharp. There you go. Sorry about that, guys. G, and then you take your index finger, put it on the 2nd fret. That's your G/F sharp chord. That they use as a transition chord between G and E minor. So if you're playing G, chord that doesn't really sound that nice by itself, but if you play it as on its way to G, E minor from G, or back E minor to G, it will sound nicer. Or back. And you can also use that on the chart. It might say something like D/F sharp. You can play a G/F sharp as well. Unless it's like a chord that they're going to hang on for a long time, but if it's like a transition chord, you can always use G/F sharp instead of a D/F sharp. Okay, and then the next chord, the last chord I'm going to show you is an E minor 7. Okay. I forgot actually to put a D on here because I just thought everybody knows it, but this is a D sus4. And that's how you play that. Okay, so D sus4, it's just like that. And if you want to make it a regular D, you take off the pinky. You can use a D sus2 as well, it's really nice. But then put your finger there. Okay, cool. Now we're ready to learn the song. First of all, the strumming is very important. So let me do the strumming slowly. Mute all the strings. Here we go. So it's going to be like this. Your hand's going to pulse like this. And then it's going to be like this. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. Ha ha, boom. Ga, boom, boom, ga, boom. Make sure your hand is going like this the whole time. That's the secret to getting the strumming. So if you're playing an E minor chord, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple, man. And if you're doing the intro strumming, you're going to add an extra up down near the end. So it's going to be like this. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So if you got the G chord, it's going to be like this. Down, 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 up, down, da 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 dum, ta 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 da ta da da dum, ta 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 da da da. Now you can play this like this. But you'll agree with me, right? That sounds pretty horrible. But that's what your hand will tend to do. But keep practicing the strumming pattern until you get that up kind of thing going. Okay. Cool beans. So for the bridge, the chords are simple. And the strumming pattern changes slightly for the bridge. For the bridge, it's going to be more like... I don't want to sing this song because otherwise I get flagged for copyright. And then I can't make money from the video. So I won't sing it. But the bridge, you just do down strums like... Just straight downs with some up strums in between. Okay, let's quickly go through the progression in the verse. You'll see that it's G for a full bar. That's how that part sounds. And then the next part goes like a da 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 da. Notice there the strumming changes to just down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's just da, 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 do, do, do. Okay, I've got a special thing for you guys. If you've watched this far, I take it you really like the way I teach and you're really enjoying this lesson. So I've got something for you. I am busy writing a chord book for worship musicians, for worship leaders who want to learn really good guitar chords. And if you want to be a part of that, then you can DM me on Instagram. So go to Instagram, go to Jooba Music and send me a direct message. Say, hey, Jaco, I want to get the chord book and I'll sign you up for that. And as it's released, you'll be the first to get it. Cheers!